Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another John Deere mower video. Now in today's video we're going to look at some Gator Predator blades for the John Deere 100 series mower here. Now as you can see, this mower's got 182.4 hours. It's still using the original blades and they are well worn now. And I will show you a patch of lawn that I've just mowed using the existing blades before changing them out. Okay, here's the lawn right now. It's not looking really great anyway. Lots of weeds, but this is what it looks like. And this is the part that I've mowed. You can see here that the old blades are not doing a really good job anymore. So let's go and swap out the blades and see if it makes any difference. This is the part number of the blades that I will be fitting. I need 3 of these for the 48-inch cut John Deere deck. And these are Gator Predator mulching blades. Now you've got to make sure you get the right ones to fit your mower because these mounting holes are different for different lawn mowers. I'll unwrap this one for you so you can have a closer look. Here it is out of the plastic. And they look really heavy duty and good quality. Now that's the mower that the blades are going on. You've seen this before in other videos. Now this is not a video on how to change mower blades. If you want to know how to change the blades from your mower, check out one of my other videos on this John Deere mower that I'll link down in the description box. Let's go and have a look and see what the problem is with the existing blades. Now I've taken the deck off. You can see the original cutting blades and they are well worn. I did show you these in one of my other videos and I wasn't even going to put these back on. But at the time we were in the middle of the coronavirus lockdowns and I was unable to get new replacement blades. Okay, you can see why they're leaving big gaps. Does not end, does it? Now you can see why it's leaving big gaps when it's cutting the lawn. Just have a look at that. And have a look at the wear on these blades. 182 hours does this to mower blades apparently. Now I'm pretty easy going on this stuff. We've got this lawn here and you know I don't dig these blades into the dirt or anything like that, or they don't hit many rocks and they still end up like this. Now while I've got the deck off and we're going to change the blades, I'm obviously going to clean up all this mess here as well, which doesn't really help, does it? Now here's what a new blade looks like in comparison to the old one. You can see there has been some extensive wear on these blades. So let's get these blades swapped out, get this deck cleaned up and give these new blades a bit of a test run. Here's the new blades fitted. I've cleaned the deck up a bit and it's ready to put back on, and then we can give it a test run and see what difference these new blades make. Now I've finished fitting the blades to the mower there. I'm actually that happy with the blades that I'm going to order another set in the next few days. So I've got a spare set sitting on the shelf ready to go once the ones I've fitted in here now have worn out. If you've got any questions in relation to these blades, do me a favour, leave your question down in the comments section and I will get back to you. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.